Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really quick share for you today. I just made 2 pairs of earrings for my daughter and I used my Cricut Design Space again to create this with our Shrink-A-Dinks. So if you're in the Sanrio swap, guess what guys? I think I'm gonna make us some earrings for Sanrio swap. Yay! Anyway, look at what it looks like. The size that I used on my design space is 2.43 by, no, 3.34 by 2.43 inches wide for the K. And then this one part right here, the class of 2023, that one measured 3.29 by 2.08 inches. So 2 by 3 basically, you want to aim for that if you want to get this size. And this total size here, so the K shrank down to about 1 2 3, I don't know, 4, I don't know, almost 1.5, I don't know, short of 1.5. I can't read, it's too small guys. And then the class of 2023, that measures a little over 1/2 inch. So 1 2 3 4 4/8 or 5/8. Anyway, the total length of this earring set will be about 2 7/8. But I made some earrings. I can't believe it. I am not going to finish it with my glossy accents is what I used the last time for the Hello Kitty. I think I'm going to use my daughter's resin nail enamel thing. She has that whole gel thing with the black light and everything. So I'm going to ask her to finish it off for me when we get to Texas because she'll be bringing it with her. But gosh, you guys, I am so shocked. It looks so great. I love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to cut real quick and show my Cricut, my design space. Okay, so there's what it looks like on my screen. And you can see the measurements there. It's 3.29 inches across and 2.08 inches long. And I added some circles here for the hanging element. I'll suggest this part right here is so small. When it came out, it was just too flimsy and it just broke off. So I ended up cutting them all off down here on the bottom. And then I just punched a hole. Real quick right under the class of 2023 right there. So I put the holes in before I used the heat gun to shrink it up. So, okay, right, guys, so that's it for my video. If you're new here, I'm sorry, I keep shaking the camera. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, join our little crafty family. It is free to join this little channel. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell and that will let you know when I load new videos or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye.